everyone, so Firebase just introduced Firebase Studio. Let's go through it. So a cloud-based agentic development environment designed to accelerate how you build, test, deploy and run production quality AI application all in one place. Firebase Studio is the next step in our journey to streamline full stack app development. We build it with developers across the spectrum in mind, whether you want to rapidly prototype AI feature using natural language or you are an experienced developer looking to bring your own tech stack and leverage the full power of the underlying customizable VM. Firebase Studio has you covered. Firebase Studio fuses tools like Project IDX, GenKit and Gemini in Firebase into a unified agentic experience. The result is an end-to-end platform built for the AI era that brings built-in prototyping capabilities, coding workspaces and flexible deployment options into a single experience, empowering you to move faster and build the next generation of innovative applications more quickly. What you can do with Firebase Studio today, rather than telling you, let's walk through the workflow of building and launching a full stack AI app with Firebase Studio step by step. Prototype AI apps with natural language, images and more. One of the many ways to get started in Firebase Studio is with the app prototyping agent, which quickly generates functional web app prototypes starting with nextjs using prompts, images or even drawings. Within seconds of clicking prototype this app, Firebase Studio generates a functional nextjs app. And it's not just UI. Firebase Studio automatically wires up GenKit and provides a Gemini API key so your AI features work out of the box, no manual setup required. Iterate quickly with AI chat. One way to edit your app is to chat with Gemini in Firebase directly within Firebase Studio. You might ask Gemini to add user authentication, change the layout, refine the UI, add features or modify the AI flow. Gemini understands your code base and helps you iterate rapidly without requiring you to dig into the code yourself. If you don't want to, jump into the code whenever you want. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can jump into a coding workspace in a familiar code OSS based IDE supercharged with powerful Gemini code assistance for code completion, debugging explanation, full terminal access and integrations with Firebase services. Preview instantly on any device. If you want to see how your prototype looks on a device, you can generate a public URL for a web preview. If you got a mobile device nearby, you can generate a QR code to instantly load and test a preview of your app on your phone. Publish quickly with Firebase app hosting. Once you are happy with your prototype and are ready for feedback, just click publish. Firebase Studio leverages Firebase app hosting for a simple one-click deployment experience that handles the build, CDN and server-side rendering for you. At any time, you can open your app inside a Firebase Studio coding workspace, refine the architecture and expand features to prepare for a production deployment. Share and collaborate in real time. Not only can you share the deployed link, you can share the entire workspace with a URL. Collaborate in real time within the same Firebase Studio environment and then push updates instantly. Coming soon, explore Gemini code assist agents. And that's not all. You can sign up to get early access to Gemini code assist agents within Firebase Studio for tasks like code migration, AI model testing and code documentation too. Join the Gemini code assist agents waitlist today via the Google Developer Program. What about Project IDX? If you are one of the hundreds of thousands of developers who have tried Project IDX, this environment might look familiar. That's why Firebase Studio includes all of the functionality of Project IDX, the flexible cloud-based VM, customizable via Nix, integrated emulators for previewing and testing your apps, the extensible library of over 60 official templates and many more from the community to get you started with one click, ability to import existing code bases from your local machine or Git-based repository including GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket, custom templates for your preferred tech stack to share across your team. You can still access your existing projects and build anything you would have previously developed in IDX, from backends to frontends, mobiles and more, all in Firebase Studio. And now you get additional access to powerful coding and preview features like the app prototyping agent with the new agentic capabilities and deeper integration with the Firebase platform. Try it out today. Get started in Firebase Studio with 3 workspaces at no cost: Google Developer Program, members get 10 workspaces, and those with a premium Google Developer Program membership get 30 workspaces. Note that some integration like Firebase app hosting may require a billing account. Jump into the documentation to learn more, but if you are ready to build, you can try Firebase Studio now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.